If you're in your 20s and 30s and still feel like money slips through your fingers like sand, this video might just change your life. Because here's the cold truth. Most people aren't broke because they don't make enough. They're broke because they never learned how to manage what they already have. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a simple, powerful system to take control of your money before it takes control of you. And no, we're not talking about skipping your iced coffee. You deserve better than that. You remember that feeling, right? You get your first decent paycheck. You're hyped. You feel rich for like 36 hours. Then boom, rent, bills, loans, brunch, a random Amazon package you forgot you ordered. And suddenly, you're Googling, can I live off ramen for a week? Don't worry, we've all been there. Even ramen's asking for a raise these days. But here's what no one told you. Managing your money isn't about being restrictive, it's about being intentional. And once you start thinking like a wealthy person, your bank account starts to follow. Let's simplify it. Step 1, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, minimum debt payments. 30%, that's your guilt-free spending money. And the remaining 20%, that's your golden ticket, savings, investments, and building your future. Don't like math? Cool. Just remember, spend less than you make and automate the rest. Pro tip, set up auto transfers to savings and investment accounts the day you get paid. If you wait till the end of the month, there will be nothing left. Now, pause. Ask yourself, if I lost my income tomorrow, Hamza, how many days could I survive? That's not fear-mongering. That's financial awareness. Start by building an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses. It sounds tough, but start with $500, then $1,000. Momentum is everything. And speaking of momentum, what if I told you the way you spend your money today is silently shaping the lifestyle you'll have in 10 years? Fast forward. You're 35. You've been investing just $200 a month since your 20s. That's not a flex, it's a decision. And because you managed your money when it felt too early, you now have options. That's what true wealth is, not just cash, freedom. But most people never get there. They wait until it's urgent to take action. Don't be most people. Start today. Start small. Just start. Because if you don't build your money system now, you'll spend years fixing what you could have prevented in months. Now that you know how to manage your money, here's the next big question. How are people in their 20s affording homes in 2025, even with insane prices? Tap the video on screen to find out how they're really doing it and how you can too.